Over 80% of everything you buy, your phone, your medicine, your clothes, travels by sea inside a metal box. And 95% of those metal boxes are made in one country, China. During COVID, freight rates shot up 3 to 9 times as India scrambled for containers. Electronics got expensive and inflation hit your kitchen. India just announced a 10,000 crore plan to fix this. Stay till the end, because whoever controls the box controls the flow of trade, and right now India controls almost nothing. If you're new here, follow Dhandha Decoded for plain language business stories. Here is how China built this monopoly. It was not luck, it was deliberate state planning. Between 2010 and 2018, China pumped an estimated $132 billion into shipping through state bank loans and direct subsidies. It created national champions like CIMC and Dongfeng. It used its massive state-subsidized steel sector to guarantee cheap raw material supply. And since China is the world's largest exporter, every new container built in China gets immediately filled with cargo. No costly repositioning of empty boxes. India and everyone else had to pay extra just to move empty boxes back. That is the structural trap China built. So why hasn't India done this already? It is not a capability problem. We have the expertise. The problem is pure economics. Container manufacturing is a game of razor-thin margins at massive volume. India doesn't produce enough cotton steel yet. It accounts for 65% of the cost, making our containers 35% more expensive. Without scale, the economics don't work. Now, here is the plan. A 10,000 crore assistance scheme. It attacks the problem with capital subsidies and production-linked incentives, the same PLI playbook that worked for electronics. In October 2025, the government launched BCSL. This creates guaranteed domestic demand, targeting 1 million containers. This gives new Indian factories the scale they need to compete. India exports pharma, chemicals, and textiles. Specialized containers, like reefers for cold chain, are high-margin segments where India can compete right now without matching China's massive volume. The next time global supply chains crack, India won't be scrambling for boxes. It will be the country supplying them. Ports and ships move goods, but containers make that movement possible. Smash that like, share this story, and drop container in the comments. Follow for more. See you next time.